Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cori.
If you're new here.
And if you are new here, please consider subscribing because it really supports my channel and, you know, helps out with the algorithm and all that stuff. Anyway, so as you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a week. I haven't done one of these before, so I was really excited to record it. Basically, I'm just showing you different meals that I eat throughout the week. However, just a disclaimer before we get into everything I ate and all of that fun stuff. I am a meal repeater.
Lizzie McGuire, you are an outfit repeater.
Like big time. I'll eat the same thing for every meal for like weeks straight. And the reason why I didn't include what I ate for lunch and dinner on certain days is because I literally ate the same thing. And I already showed you guys what it was, so that is why. Like, there was a couple days this past week that I had the same lunch actually like every single day. Yeah, so I just thought this would be a fun video to record to give you guys some different meal ideas, some healthier meal ideas, I guess. And I don't know, it was just really fun to record. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more, let me know down below in the comments and give this video a thumbs up just so I know to make more videos like this and it's something that you guys like to see. Yeah, so without any further ado, let us hop into today's video. Alright everybody, so I started Monday morning off strong with a shot of apple cider vinegar. I had this every other morning as well, but I didn't record it because my face was not the cutest. But it's really good for your gut and just, you know, restarting your body on a healthy note. And then I actually just got my own juicer, so I just had this fresh pressed juice and it was really good. It was a lot better than the apple cider vinegar shot. And then for breakfast, I'm just having a smoothie. You can get 15% off of this plant-based protein powder, which is actually really good for plant-based protein powder. And I just added some peanut butter, spinach, blueberries, ice, banana, and almond milk, and it was really good. I've been having smoothies a lot lately. I think I'm on like a smoothie kick or something. Love them. It's just what I want in the morning. Very light, but and very easy. It's not the prettiest color, but let me tell you, it tastes amazing. And I also added chia seeds just for some extra fiber. And look how pretty Jack's hair is. And then for a snack that day, I just had this chocolate peanut almond bar from Trader Joe's, and then I had an almond milk latte. And for lunch, I had this every day for lunch, I think. That's why I didn't show lunch very often this week. And it's just the butter chicken from Trader Joe's. It's gluten-free. It does have dairy in it, but just from the butter. And I'm okay with eating butter. And then it comes with jasmine rice. And then when I got home, I had my second cup of coffee for the day. My apartment actually has this like little iced coffee machine. Love it. Hey guys, so it's currently 6:45 and I am so hungry today. Don't know why. But tonight is burger night. Jack's favorite food in the world is burgers, and every time I make them, he gets so excited. So we have them like once a week, and I don't eat red meat, so what I do is I either make turkey burgers, like homemade little patties, or I'll just do a chicken breast and put it on a bun and put all the same toppings and stuff. And then Jack obviously has normal beef burgers. So that's what we're having tonight. Alright, so here's mine. I just cut the chicken breast in half, and then I added some mayo and hot sauce. I like mixed it together, and then I added a fried egg, some avocado, and some veggies on the side because I have not had enough today.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. I'm hungry, I'm like shaking. Alright guys, it is a little bit later. It is 8:07 p.m. I have a little sweet tooth. Never like up for debate for me. I always need something sweet at night after dinner. I kind of went like on a hiatus from having this for a while, which It's date time, baby. If you are new over here, you probably don't know that I am really obsessed with dates. Okay, so I went through this phase probably around summertime where I had them like, I would go through like a whole box in 1 week, which is kind of ridiculous, but they're good for you. So if you don't know, dates are like these weird little, they look like prunes, but they don't taste like prunes. They taste like caramel, and I love them so much. So what I do, whenever I'm not being lazy, I will, like set them all out, stuff them with peanut butter, and then cover them with chocolate and put them in the freezer. But that takes time, and I don't have time. Yeah, so what I do now is I just like cut them open, take the pit out, put peanut butter in there, and then put chocolate chips on top of the peanut butter. Also, sorry, I look like a gremlin. I had a long day, and I'm still going. I have to practice my dances because we're back, baby. If you don't know, I'm a professional cheerleader in the NFL, and they finally gave us the go-ahead, so we are able to dance at the game this Thursday night. Kind of a quick turnaround. Where was I going with this? Oh yeah, so I have to practice my dances. That's why I was saying I was busy. So I have to practice my dances still. I've been editing. I've been doing like a little side gig just to make a little extra money. So I've been editing for people too. So I have to finish up a video that I'm editing for somebody. Anyways, I was just kind of ranting just there because I need somebody to talk to about my busy schedule because Jack went over to his friend's house. Yeah, so, okay, you guys don't care. So I'm going to make my dates now. And then Tuesday morning I started off with another fresh pressed juice. I have one every single morning. And then I had this little peppermint stick granola bar. And I have juice every morning, like I said, so I actually prep it the night before. So I'll juice whatever juice I'm having the night before just so it's ready to go in the fridge and I don't have to worry about it in the morning. And for the next morning's juice, I was just having plain celery juice. And I just wanted to show you guys my cool little juicer. Look how pretty these are. And I didn't show my lunch this day because, like I said, I had the butter chicken from Trader Joe's like every day this week. So for dinner, I just made this sheet pan meal. So it's jalapeno sausage with cauliflower gnocchi, broccoli, asparagus, green pepper, mushroom, and onion. And then I added dairy-free ranch and nutritional yeast. And look at this cute shirt Jack got for me. And this dinner was really good. Lots of veggies packed with a bunch of nutrients. And it was really good. And it was dairy-free and gluten-free. Alright guys, so Wednesday morning I started off with coffee as usual and my celery juice. And this is the creamer I use. I get it from Aldi's. It's really good. And then I also had this spicy jalapeno chicken sausage for breakfast. I actually eat my breakfast when I get to work in the morning just to give my stomach a chance to like settle, and I'm never like super hungry first thing when I wake up. And I just normally have my celery juice and my coffee on the way to work or just like when I'm getting ready in the morning. And then when I got to work, I was really tired that day, so I made another little coffee at their house. I'm a nanny, so they have like a little coffee machine. And look how good that looks. I actually don't like this creamer. It's like the So Delicious coconut milk creamer. I did not like it, so don't recommend. And then for dinner that night, Jack actually made this for me. We love these gluten-free General Tso's chicken. They're from Aldi's. They're amazing. They come with this sauce as well. And they're gluten-free, obviously. And they're also like corn-free, soy-free, dairy-free, obviously, and a bunch of other like allergens it's free from. So definitely recommend. You'll thank me later. And I also just had this spicy mayo that I made. I literally just mixed mayonnaise and sriracha. So Thursday morning, I wanted to include that I was drinking water because I drank a lot of water throughout the day, but I actually didn't record it until just now. So don't worry guys, I'm drinking plenty of water every day along with my coffee. And then for breakfast, I had a banana, and then I also had another chicken jalapeno sausage because I'm obsessed, and then some avocado toast on gluten-free bread. And sorry guys, this is actually all I recorded from that day because it was a game day for me and I was like all over the place, so I didn't record anything else. I hope you guys are ready for this recipe, so I'm going to share with you guys my salted caramel smoothie recipe. You guys, this is so good. So what you do is you add 3 bananas. I'm making this for Jack and I, by the way, so if you're making it for yourself, cut the recipe in half. And then I'm using the lean protein and salted caramel from Tropika. You guys, this stuff is a game changer. It's so much better in smoothies than it is by itself. It's still pretty good like with just water, but it's like another level when it's in a smoothie. So I added some spinach for some, health, and then almond milk, and I also added dates. Dates are the key ingredient because it makes it like even more caramelly. This thing is so good. Jack loved it as well, and you're also like getting a nice green looking smoothie because of the spinach, and it's delicious. Right, so that brings us to the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports your girl. And also, it just lets me know that you guys want to see more what I eat in a week or videos like this in general. And it just helps you guys out too, Also, let me know if you guys like the new little backdrop that I made. I feel like it's really giving me like OG YouTube vibes, like when everybody uses background, but I just wanted to make it a little bit more visually pleasing for you guys. Thank you guys again so much for watching today's video. Go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!